Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order PayPal debit card. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step from checking your eligibility to requesting your physical card and activating it once it arrives. So step one, you need to open the PayPal application. So basically, you can open your PayPal using your Android or your iPhone. You just have to download it. Or you can also open your PayPal on your browser. So first, you have to open your PayPal. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can just download it to your device application store and then sign in to your PayPal account. Now you have to make sure you're logged in into the correct account because the debit card will be linked directly to your PayPal balance. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you will need to create one and complete the basic setup process before applying for the card. Step 2, verify your eligibility. Before requesting the card, confirm that your account is eligible. Generally, you'll need an active PayPal account in good standing. Identify verification completed if requested. A PayPal balance account. Residence in a country where the card is currently offered. If your account has limitations or unresolved verification issues, PayPal may ask you to complete additional steps before proceeding. Now, step 3. So, step 3, access your PayPal balance. Once you're signed in, tap to your PayPal balance. You will usually find this near the top of the application home screen. This section allows you to manage the money stored in your PayPal account and access features related to the PayPal debit card. Now, step 4, request your debit card. Inside the balance section, look for the PayPal debit card option and tap it. If you are eligible, you will see the option to request your card. Now you need to follow the prompts show down or show on the screen. PayPal states that users receive a digital card instantly upon arrival or approval and can request a physical card at no cost. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to review the card details and continue. Step 5, confirm your personal information. Next, PayPal will ask you to verify your information. Carefully review your legal name, mailing address, contact information. This step is extremely important. Your physical card will be mailed to the address listed on your account. So make sure everything is accurate before submitting your request. If needed, update your address before continuing. Step 6, submit your request. Now, after reviewing the information, agree to the terms and conditions. You can read it. And then once you have agreed everything, and then tap the button to submit your request. Once approved, you will receive confirmation inside the application. You don't need to go out, you just have to stay. In many cases, the digital card becomes available immediately, allowing you to begin shopping online or adding it to a supported mobile wallet. Now, step 7, wait for your physical card. So, your physical PayPal debit card will then be shipped to your address. According to PayPal, delivery typically takes around 5 to 7 business days, but of course, it depends after the request is processed. Shipping times may vary depending on your location and mail service conditions. Step 8, you need to activate your card. So once your card arrives, you will need to activate it before using it in stores or ATMs. If you don't activate it, you cannot basically use your card. So you can activate it through the PayPal application. And how are you going to do that? Open the application and by selecting your PayPal balance, choosing your PayPal debit card, tapping active card. You can also activate it through PayPal's activation page. After activation, you will set up your PIN and your card will be ready to use. Now, for the bonus part, Start using your PayPal debit card. So after activation, you can use your PayPal debit card to shop online. So there's a payment method there, and one of the payment methods is PayPal. All you have to do is to click that one. Make sure purchases in stores, or you can make purchases in stores. Add the card to eligible mobile wallets. Withdraw cash from supported ATMs. Spend directly from your PayPal balance. Remember that you will need available funds in your PayPal balance to complete transactions. Now you can also track and manage your PayPal debit card. So after activating your card, it's a good idea to regularly monitor and manage it through the PayPal application. So you can view your recent transactions and spending activity, check your available PayPal balance, lock or unlock your card if it's misplaced, update your PIN if needed, report a lost or stolen card and request a replacement, manage security settings to help you or to help protect your account. And basically, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about the application process. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.